मैं अकेला ही चला था जानिबे मंजिल, मगर लोग साथ आते गए और कारवां बनता गया।
DAV gave us the light to shine.
East or west?
DAV is the best.
DAV is the best. We love DAV.
DAV shows us the path of excellence.
We love DAV.
DAV plays an important role in building up a productive youth.
विकास के पथ पर निरंतर अग्रगामी इस विद्यालय का आज स्थापना दिवस है। आप सबको हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं।
नमस्कार। स्थापना दिवस पर सभी बच्चों को मेरी ओर से शुभकामनाएं और सभी शिक्षकों को मेरी ओर से अभिनंदन।
39वें स्थापना दिवस पर मैं सभी को हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देना चाहती हूँ। हमारी जो प्रगति इतने सालों में हुई है, मैं चाहूँगी कि वो प्रगति कायम रहे और विद्यालय उत्तरोत्तर विकास करता रहे और हमारा जो DAV परिवार है, ये एक जो हमारे DAV के निर्धारित मूल्य हैं उनका अनुकरण करते हुए विद्यालय को और ऊंचाई तक ले जाएं।
विद्यालय के 39वां स्थापना दिवस के अवसर पर मैं आप सबों को शुभकामना देता हूं।
मित्रों, स्वर्गीय रतनलाल जैन जी के ज्येष्ठ पुत्र थे सूरजमल जैन, और उनकी स्मृति में विद्यालय की स्थापना स्वर्गीय ज्ञानचंद जैन, महात्मा ND ग्रोवर साहब और विद्यालय के पूर्व प्राचार्य डॉक्टर TP पति के द्वारा एक और स्थापना दिवस के अवसर पर मैं सबको दिली शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। धन्यवाद।
On this auspicious day of Foundation Day, I wish best of wishes to SJDAV Public School for future. Thank you.
नमस्ते, सभी को नमस्ते। यह विद्यालय महात्मा ND ग्रोवर और हमारे पूर्व प्राचार्य श्री TP पति की देन है, जहां हम सभी काम कर रहे हैं। कल विद्यालय की 39वां स्थापना दिवस हम सभी मनाने जा रहे हैं। इस 39वां स्थापना दिवस पर सभी को हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। यह स्कूल और भी उत्तरोत्तर उन्नति करे, हमें आप सभी का साथ चाहिए ताकि हम विकास के पथ पर और आगे बढ़ें। धन्यवाद।
Today we are celebrating our 39th Foundation Day. May the organization reach to the greater heights. I wish you all the best. Thank you.
Yes, on the occasion of 39th Foundation Day, I wish you all the best for the same.
नमस्ते, मैं मनोज कुमार महांती सूरजमल जैन DAV पब्लिक स्कूल में 1990 से 1 जुलाई 2025 तक कार्यरत हूँ। इस 39वां स्थापना दिवस के अवसर पर आप सभी सदस्यगण को हार्दिक अभिनंदन। धन्यवाद।
East or west, DAV is best.
ज्ञान और विज्ञान है DAV.
DAV is the best.
I love my DAV.
East or west, DAV is the best.
ज्ञान और विज्ञान है DAV. DAV is known for its education.
Pure education means DAV.
It's the best. DAV is the best.
DAV is the best.
DAV is the best.
Pure education means DAV. I love DAV.
लेट दयामणि हेम्ब्रम, लेट माया दत्ता, बलभद्र समया, यूके घोष, डॉक्टर बीके अग्रवाल, एस.जे. शाह, मिस्टर विश्वास, ए.के.एस. महापात्रा, टी.आर. महांती, कमल सरकार and Mr. Anup Kumar. Apart from this, R.S. Sinha and Mrs. Kumudini Mishra. Apart from this, those great persons, those who contributed for the establishment of this great school, they are Sitaram Rutta, Nandalal Rutta and Goput Rutta ji. Mamita Goswami, Leonard Sampaio, Sandra Thompson, Subhash Jain, who contributed a lot for this construction of this building. And
Very good morning, children. It is an important day. Rather, I should say that the most important day for SJDAV Public School Chaibasa, 1st of July as the Foundation Day. As your teacher told in the speech, that approx 40 years before, some visionaries, some philanthropists, they thought of promoting education to this deprived area of then Bihar. DAV College Managing Committee was represented by Mahatma Narayan Das Grover, who was then Vice President of DAV CMC and retired as principal from the college at Ambala, DAV College at Ambala. Then he took the mission to promote education. Whatever series of school you see, starting from Manoharpur Chidiya to Behragora, in between Novamundi, Goa, Jeetpani, Chaibasa, NIT, Vistupur, all these schools in a row, They were his efforts. And we cannot forget the contribution of great man, great family who donated piece of land, not only donated, but Jan family extended all sorts of support to DAV family. Please give a big round of applause for the Jan family. These days, if you are in touch with the newspaper, that people are fighting for few inches of land, and this huge area donated by this family to promote education. Now come to the DAV part. As an average, when we see every year, if 100 students, not 200, not 150, 100 students, they pass every year. I'm not saying the first 10 years. Means reduce it to 30 years. How many pass outs are there in the market, in the society? Yesterday, one of the alumni met me and he said that 25 students of his batch, they are settled abroad. Nobody might have thought in the beginning that the foundation which they are going to lay, what big tree, what shade it will get in coming years. And many more. SJDAV Chaibasa is concerned. Whenever there will be talk about SJDAV Chaibasa, 3 persons, they cannot be forgotten. One representing DAV in the form of office bearer Mahatma Narayan Das Global. Second, Jan family, entire family, their philanthropic approach. And third, the man who was assigned to run the school, Dr. T.P. Pati. This is how the show that was started. And today we are well placed in every aspect. Now, one advice for me, for all you children, that always imagine big, dream big, because due to digital revolution, what facilities are available for the students in Mumbai, it is available for you also, digitally. Think big, set a target, and really try to achieve it with 100% sincerity. I am sure that under the guidance of your teachers, if you are determined, definitely you are going to achieve the target. One more announcement I would like to make. Students of 11th and 12th, you please raise your hand. I want to see the number. 11 and 12. Chalo, put it down. See, by realizing the situation, the committee of teachers, what we decided, that from now onwards, we are going, because student council plays vital role in school administration, school management, and that will also be a training for you. Those students who want to file their nomination or put forward them for the post of head boy, head girl, deputy head boy, deputy head girl, secretary, sports captain, in consultation with your CCA coordinator, Mr. Vikas Pandey, supported by your class teacher. Further announcement will be made in the class. You will get separate form, and there will be so many other criteria are there. Then there will be interview by the panel of the board, and then there will be the selection of head boy, head girl, deputy head boy, deputy head girl, sports captain or the secretaries. So that will be a change. If you think, everybody should think, if you think that you are fit for this post, you will take that form and submit your nomination. More detailed announcement that is to be given by the class teacher in standard 11th and 12th. One more thing, yesterday, as I told you that alumni one group came, they came with certain campaign and which is really needed in the society. Awareness regarding vaccine which is related with cervical cancer. These days, number of cases are increasing like anything and the person becomes helpless. It is advised from the age of 9 to 14 years, children, you must communicate this thing to your parent. Certain cutouts that is being displayed in the school notice board, whatever information is there, in consultation with your parent, under the able guidance of your doctors, you must give a thought to it. Because if there is no cure for this disease, at least we can go for the prevention. Is it clear to everyone? Thank you very much.
एक समस्या ये है कि धन्यवाद हम किसको दें? क्या हम इस स्कूल को बनाने वाले, इस स्कूल को की परिकल्पना करने वाले, या इस स्कूल में जो कार्य किए हैं, जो लेबर, जो श्रमिकों को धन्यवाद करें? यहाँ अनगिनत बहुत लोगों का धन्यवाद, बहुत लोगों के लिए धन्यवाद। आज लगभग 39 साल हो गया इस स्कूल को बने हुए, लेकिन क्योंकि ऐसा बोला गया है कि वोट ऑफ थैंक्स के लिए, खासकर इस प्रोग्राम के लिए, तो मैं इससे पहले कि आज का प्रोग्राम के लिए धन्यवाद दूं, मैं 3 आदमी का जैसे सर बोल रहे थे, आई एम गिविंग स्पेशल थैंक्स टू जैन फैमिली, Grover Ram and Dr. T.P. Pati, and they have started the school in a very elaborate and you can say very fashionable manner and having a great vision behind the good school. And this school has been nurtured by different teacher in charge, principal also. Rekha madam also nurtured the school in a very good manner. So now come on to the point. Respected principal sir, teachers, lovely student and non-teaching staff. On behalf of SJDAV, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of you for making our 39th establishment day celebration a grand success. I would like to express my sincere appreciation to our principal sir for gracing the occasion with his presence and inspiring words, especially the dream big, जो कि डॉक्टर कलाम का भी सपना था, उनका हमेशा ये कथन रहा है. To our dedicated faculty members, your tireless work, efforts and commitment to excellence have been the driving force behind our institution's growth. I salute your dedication and passion. I also salute to all our dear energy, enthusiasm and talents which made this school a special one since beginning. I extend my gratitude to all supporting staffs, parents and well-wishers for their unwavering support and cooperation. We the teachers of DAV, remember, now the point comes is that what is our aim, हम जो टीचर्स हैं उनके जहन में क्या है, उसकी एक बहुत अच्छी पंक्तियां हैं, वो सुनिए जरा. मंजिल से आगे बढ़कर मंजिल तलाश कर, मंजिल डेस्टिनेशन ऑब्जेक्टिव, मंजिल से आगे बढ़कर मंजिल तलाश कर, मिल जाए तुझको दरिया को समंदर तलाश कर, हर शीशा टूट जाता है पत्थर की चोट से। हर शीशा, मिरर, अ पीस ऑफ ग्लास, हर शीशा टूट जाता है पत्थर के चोट से। पत्थर ही टूट जाए ऐसा शीशा तलाश कर। थैंक यू वेरी मच।